My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2019 Mercedes A-Class AMG. It has done just under 26,000 miles and has an automatic transmission. As we step inside, on the steering wheel we can see features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have navigation, Bluetooth and media, parking cameras and sensors, and my vehicle. This A-Class also comes with automatic headlights and electric seats. As we enter the back of the vehicle, we can see it has a full leather black interior. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.